You have Vivo Y58 5G smartphone and you are struggling to turn off your smartphone or shut down your smartphone, then this is the video for you. By default, whenever you will long press your power button, it will open the Google Assistant app instead of that power menu. To change it to power menu, simply click on settings, scroll down and come to the bottom. There you will see the option of shortcut and accessibility. Click on this, again scroll down. There you will see the option of press and hold power button. Click on this and again click on press and hold power button. There you will see by default it is selected to launch Google Assistant. Now select enable the power and emergency menu. Now whenever you will long press your power button, it will open your power menu and you can easily shut down your phone by clicking on power off menu. Please like this video if this was helpful for you. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, have fun.